connecting Mailchimp to Shopify syncs, customer data, abandoned cart emails, product recommendations, and automates marketing campaigns. Mailchimp offers a free official app for easy integration. Steps to connect: install the Mailchimp app, log in to your Shopify admin, go to Apps, click Shopify App Store, search for Mailchimp, official app by Mailchimp, usually the top result with thousands of reviews. Click Add App, Install App, Authorize Permissions. Mailchimp needs access to customers, orders, products, and checkout data. Sign in or create Mailchimp account. After installation, you'll be redirected to Mailchimp. Log in to your existing Mailchimp account or sign up for a new one. Free plan works for small stores. Grant Shopify access to Mailchimp when prompted. Complete the sync setup. In Mailchimp, go to Audience, All Contacts, or create a new one. Return to Shopify, Apps, Mailchimp app dashboard. Click Connect or Start Sync. Choose which data to sync: customers, emails, tags, purchase history, orders, abandoned carts, products for recommendations. Click Save or Connect. Enable key automations in Mailchimp app. Enable abandoned cart recovery, post-purchase follow-ups, or welcome series. Customize templates in Mailchimp, campaigns or automations.